Very important. So that's why we did this activity, and hopefully you enjoy. And tomorrow or daily when I'll take math class, we'll do this activity, right? Okay, so any of you remember that what we studied yesterday? Do you remember crocodile mouth? Can you recall something in your mind? Did you see a crocodile yesterday? Yes, yes, Anaya, did you? Okay, let me share with you. Maybe it will help you. Yesterday, I show you few pictures and videos in which we saw that there was a crocodile, and here can you see the crocodile? And I told you that whenever you have to remember greater and smaller numbers, this crocodile will always be there to help you. Do you know how? Because it always opens its mouth toward the greater number. So suppose here is written the greater number and here is the smaller number, and you are confused to know that which is the greater number. So what will you do? You will open the mouth of crocodile toward the greater number. So this crocodile will help you to know that 7 is greater than 3. In this way, you can compare the numbers. Right? Right? Okay. This was the sign of greater. This was sign of greater than, as I shared with you yesterday. And then we shared few videos. We'll not go in these because we have to move toward the next thing, the most important thing here. Here I will show you a video. In this way, it will help you that which is the greater number and which is the smaller number, and how we can identify, right? Okay. I hope that all of you can see this. We just ended here yesterday. That's why I'm going to continue from here. But you know, all of you know the topic. It is smaller than and greater than. Whenever I'll ask that, do you remember the crocodile? So you always the topic will be comparing numbers greater than and smaller than. Okay. And you will give me answers by using your hand and the finger. So please be active and get ready to give me answers, right? Because today you will give me the answer. I'll ask the questions, right? Right? First of all, let's see this video. Okay, in this example number 1, these are 3 sweets. 1, 2, 3. And here are 2 sweets. So which is the greater number? Hurry up, hurry up. You have to tell me with the fingers. 3 is the greater number. Very good, Zunaira. Now the second example. There are 2 boxes and there are 3 boxes. Not 3, more than 3. 1, 2, 2. And at this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. So who will tell me that which is the greater number? 2 is the greater number or 4 is the greater number? I want to see your fingers to give me the answer. 2 is the greater number or 4 is the greater number? Zunaira is giving me the right answer. Abdullah bin Usman is giving me the right answer. Very good, Abdullah. Who else? Kissa Fatima is giving me the right answer. Bin Sagir is giving the right answer. I want to see your fingers. Okay, 2 and 4. Kissa is giving the right answer. Nayan is giving the right answer. Alina, I want to see you, please. I want your attention. Please tell me that there are 2 gift boxes and there are 4. Which is the greater number? 2 is the greater number or 4 is the greater number? 4 is the greater number. So crocodile will open its mouth toward 4 or 2? 4. Okay, good. Let me ask from few other students. Yes, Abiha. Which is the greater number, 2 or 4? 4. So let's see, all of you are giving the right answer or not. Yes, 4 is the greater number. So can you see the crocodile open mouth sign at this side? Now let's see few more examples. Number 3. Here is a 2 plates of sandwiches. 1, 2. 2. And here are 1, 2. Again 2. So now what will happen? There are 2 plates and there are also 2 plates of sandwiches. So 2 and 2. Now which is the greater number? Oh, very good. Who is giving the right answer? Yes, with the fingers. Very good. Well done. It's Minal Fatima. Minal Fatima, very good. Very good. This is a very good way to, you know, she's showing the equal sign with the help of fingers. I'm very happy to see Minal. Very good. So let me play the video again so that those who missed, we have done till here. Then I asked, Mr. Minal gave the right answer. Let me move toward the third example. Here we are moving toward the third example, and I'll ask again. Yes, Kasim, Nazir, and Gul Fatima. Gul Fatima and Zayan Vastu, you will give me the answer now. 2 and 2. Yes, very good, very good. Mifra, Shanze, what will happen in this situation? It's not greater, it's not smaller, Mifra, than it is. There was a third, equal to, very good. So let's see, are you giving the right answer or not, Maham? So here it is a. So here can you see? 2 is equal to 2. So now I'll tell you that we have used 3 signs. Here 3 is greater than 2. 2 is smaller than 4. Because here the crocodile mouth is closed at this side. So if 2 is written here, how we'll call it? 2 is less than 4, right? And 2 is equal to 2. Very good, Mifra. Yes, Zenia, did you understand? This is a greater than sign. This is a smaller or less than sign. And this is equal to sign. Hira, are you getting what I said? I gave you an example. Now, one by one, we'll solve an exercise and then we'll move toward the countdown. Here are the fill in the blanks which you will fill, and you will give me answers by using your fingers. You can make a greater than sign and the smaller or less than sign by using your fingers. Can you? Okay. You are giving the right answer in the chat also. Let's see the first example. All of you are ready for that, Tuba? Can you hear me? And Hajra. Hajra, you look here and you'll give me the answer. Fill in the blanks by using less than, greater than, and equal symbols, okay? Here is written 20, and here is written 19. Which is the greater number? 20. So at which side crocodile will open the mouth? Toward 20 or toward 19? No, tell me, I can see. 20, very good. Hajra is giving the right answer. But let's check, is she giving the right answer? Yes, she is giving the right answer. 20 is greater than 19. And can you see the crocodile mouth here? It is open toward 20. Why? Because crocodile likes to eat greater number of things. Muhammad Ahmad, I need your attention, Muhammad Ahmad. Okay, now Muhammad Ahmad, you will solve the next question. Here, again, fill in the blanks by using less than, greater than, and equal to signs. Muhammad Ahmad, you will give me the answer, and Hira Fahim also. Ibadur Rahman, you all three will be going to give me the answer. 17 is dash then 31. Very, very good. Very good. Well done, Muhammad Ahmad. I'm so happy with your answer. This is the right way to give the answer by using fingers. Crocodile will open its mouth toward 31 or 17? Crocodile will open its mouth towards 17 or 31? Who will tell me? Seventeen is less than 31, then crocodile will open its mouth towards 31 or 17? Wali Nasser. Let's see, are you giving the right answers or not? Let's check. Will you like to see that are you giving the right answers or not? Okay, let me tell you. Here you can see that 17 is less than 31 or 17 is smaller than 31. As 31 is the big number, so crocodile has opened its mouth toward 31. Okay, and we'll read it like 17 is less than 31 or 17 is smaller than 31. Are you getting, my dear students? Very good. Azwar gave the right answer, Tuba Ehsan and Zayan Wasti. And all of these gave the right answers in the chat. I'm very happy that all of you are getting this concept. This means that you can solve these sums by yourselves. That's why I have few countdown pages, which we'll solve later on. Now let's see the last example, then we'll move toward the countdown. Here is the last example. How many of you are ready to give me the answer? I want to see your fingers, my dear students. Oh, no. Yes. So here, again, 27 and 27. Now, do you remember that sometime the crocodile was confused, and when it was confused, its mouth was like, I want to see your hands to give me the answers. It's 27 and 27. Now, what crocodile has to do? Yes. Tuba, Ehsan, and Azwa gave the right answers. Crocodile is confused, and when it's confused, its mouth is like the equal to sign. Do you know what is the equal to sign? It is equal to sign. It means that 27 and 27 both are equal, and we'll read it like 27 is equal to 27. Do you understand? Very good. Maria Mushtuba and Asna also give the right answer. Hurain and Maham, well done. I'm so happy that few are trying to give me the answer by using their fingers and few are giving the answers in the chat. It indicates that all of you are ready to solve these sums by yourself. Okay, now let's see what is it. Let's see. So you're familiar with this? Have you seen this? What is this? It is your countdown book. And hopefully you have done many of the exercises on these, but today you have to open page number 42. All of you please open your countdown books, page number 42. Good, you are giving the right answers in the chat, but now we have to move forward. And now you have to come to your countdown book, page number 42, my dear students. Did all of you open? You can write in the chat if yes, as I cannot see your videos. Now you all are not visible to me, though names are there. So I want you to please write in the chat if you have opened your countdown pages. Okay, thank you, Tuba. This means that you understand, all of you, and you have opened countdown. Okay, now we'll see that page number 42. What is on page number 42? Let's see here. Do you have the same page? Did you open the same page? Can you see the crocodile again? Do you remember the story which I shared with you yesterday? Let's read it again so that it will help you. Look at this hungry crocodile's mouth. It's hungry and its mouth is open. He is very, very hungry. His mouth is open wide. His mouth is fully opened. He has 3 fish on one side. 1, 2, 3. 6 fish on the other. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here are the 3 fish and here are 6 fish. So he goes for the 6 fish because he likes to eat more as he is very hungry. So can you see this symbol that it has opened its mouth toward the greater number, as I told you yesterday. So I have repeated here because it is mentioned in your countdown. He wants more fish to eat. So look at the shape of its mouth. Can you see this shape? As we have studied in detail, it is 6 number of fish. It is 3 number of fish. So you always have to keep one thing in your mind, that wherever there is a greater number, the crocodile mouth will open toward that number. And you have to remember the symbol by keeping this crocodile's open mouth in your mind. Do you understand? Okay, that's great. We use this shape in math as a sign or symbol. We use this shape as a sign or symbol, and it indicates a greater number. Okay, if you have done this work already on your countdown, then you will raise that and you will do it again as a practice. And if you haven't, then you will do with me, okay? So how we'll write? We write 6 is, you can see the crocodile mouth again here. 6 is greater than 3 and read as 6 is greater than 3. Or 3 is less than 6, or read as 3 is less than 6. Why 3 is less than 6? Because crocodile mouth is not open toward 3. Now what you have to remember, that the crocodile mouth is always open toward the bigger number. As I have repeatedly told you that you always have to keep this crocodile mouth in your mind, then you will not face any difficulty when you will solve greater number and smaller number. And you will always keep this thing in the mind, that crocodile mouth opens always toward the greater number. And even you can use your hand to tell me that which is the greater and which is the less than sign, and also the equal to. Okay. So now let's move toward the next page. Hopefully you are aware about greater than and less than sign, these symbols hopefully. Okay, let's see the next page. What is on in it? It's page number 43. All of you are on the 43 countdown page. You must have pencils in your hand so that you will solve and will give me the answers also. Okay, you can see the numbers on the number line. I told you in the number line lesson that we use number line to compare numbers. So here we can also use it. Anaya, do you have the countdown and the pencil in your hand? Okay, you will also give me the answers. But before solving on the countdown, you will give me answers by using your hands, by showing the symbols with your hand, less than, greater than, and equal to. Okay? Okay? Yes, Ishal. Now you will solve the first sum. First is already being done. Simply as we have done the exercise, you have to use these two symbols, either less than or greater than. One is already being solved. Now let's see the second, B. Ishal Fatima. Ishal Fatima, my dear student, now you will solve this sum. Here is 12 and here is 19. Now see this crocodile mouth. It likes to eat greater number. So it will open its mouth toward 12 or 19. Yes, Ishal, give me the answer, my dear student. 12 or 19. Inaya, yes. I want you to please use your hands. Manal Fatima, here is 12 and here is 19. Yes, so which symbol will you have to tell me, show me the symbol by using your fingers. How can you make a symbol by using your thumb? Okay, so we'll say that 12 is less than, crocodile mouth will open toward 19. All of you please solve this on the countdown. 12 is less than 19. Did you solve? Yes, Huran. Now you will solve number C, 2 and 3. So crocodile will open its mouth toward 2 or 3? 3. Very good. Well done. Okay, we have only 2 minutes, but you can do this these exercises. I will try to just solve as many sums we can. And then there is page number 44. Page number 44 you have to solve as a homework. Abdullah bin Usman, look here, my dear student. You have to solve the sum D, 0 and 5. There isn't anything and there are 5 things. The crocodile will open its mouth toward 0 or 5. Crocodile will open its mouth towards 0 or 5. Who can tell me? 5. Very good, Abdullah. Well done. Well done. Now it's E. It will only solve E and then remaining you will solve as a homework. 20 and 10. Let me ask, who will give me the last answer? Okay, Zayan Vasti. You are going to give me the last answer, 20 and 10. Here are 20 number of things and here is 10. So crocodile will open its mouth toward 20 or 10. Hurry up. Tell me, 20 or 10? Look here. Yes, which is greater number, 20 or 10? 20. So crocodile will open its mouth toward 20. Yes, Hisham, you're giving the right answer. Well done, my dear students. I'm very happy. It was an interactive session, but time is over. So you have to complete it as a homework. Take very good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. And remember the activity we'll also do the next time. Take care. Allah Hafiz.